When you come across a chord sheet online, they tend to be in the wrong key, which means you need to transpose it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transpose a chord sheet into the original key of the song that you're playing in. So first, we'll look for a chord sheet online, and I'm going to use Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. And I'm using ultimateguitar.com, which has a whole load of chord sheets for popular songs. I know already that the key of Never Gonna Give You Up is in C sharp major, but this chord sheet is showing me the chords in D major. So the first thing that we need to do is find out how many steps there are between the original key of the song and this chord sheet key. So between C sharp and D, C sharp being the original key of the song and D being the key of this chord sheet, we know that there's 1/2 step. So we know that this chord sheet is 1/2 step lower than the original key of the song, which is D major. So to transpose the chord sheet to the original key of the song, we apply that interval to every single chord on that chord sheet. So we know that we need to transpose every single chord down 1/2 step. So the chords for the chorus on this chord sheet are G, A, F sharp minor, B minor, G, A, F sharp major, B minor. So we'll just transpose every single chord down 1/2 step. So that now gives us the chords of the original key of the song, which is F sharp, G sharp, F minor, A sharp minor, F sharp, G sharp, F major, A sharp minor. And it really is that simple. All you need to do is find out the original key of the song and the key that the chord sheet is in and work out the difference in intervals between those two keys. And I have done a video all about finding out the key of the song, and I'll be sure to link to it in the description. Now the great thing about some online chord sheets is that you can transpose them using a tool on the actual chord sheet itself. So using ultimateguitar.com, right at the bottom of the screen you have this transpose tool right down here. And if you click the -1, it transposes it down 1/2 step. And if you press +1, it transposes it up 1/2 step. Transposing chord sheets is just one small part of music theory, but if you want to find out more about music theory, then click on this playlist right here, where I taught you through the very basics of learning piano. In these videos I teach you everything that you need to know to become confident in your piano playing.